Area hello, they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, look at how you see them. Aston Villa 3 and Manchester United 1. And we get that way be like saying that Ogbonge Man you fan, Ogbonge football lover. Make on tell us about how you see a team performance for this match. That way, what's happened today? Can't be like say they break on a screen guard. Then yeah, how you see your team performance today?
But boss, normally, mind you, when we just start the season normally, we not really start well, you get. But as time they go on, we gonna get our groove back, everything. But today, man, if I not lie, I was shocked. I was shocked. But I think the major problem is our players not there. All them Anthony, Sancho, so we not get squad depth, you get. So we can't start some kind of people when we're not supposed to start. Like normally Van de Beek, when last you see Van de Beek, they play Man U match. Normally, you get. So all those people now when they start the match, all those ones will go and scatter the arrangement and everything. And make you see say Man U not really get some kind of bite. And normally Aston Villa players, those people they be Ogbon now. They be Ogbon for the game. When they Douglas Lewis and they play ball normally. So when they start all this Elanga them against people like that, it go hard. Besides, Aston Villa they enjoy the honeymoon of a new coach, Unai Emery. Coach whereby I be like saying, "I best when Sabi win trophies normally." Assistant coach, you don't win for Villarreal, you don't win for Sevilla. Now coach whereby you don't do normally. Even when he did Arsenal that time for England, it was very difficult to beat Arsenal. It was a very good coach. So you see the matter. So it's very difficult for you to just take on that kind of person, just win and once, you get. So that the major play when Man United face today. But I feel say it's not bad. Everything they get set back. Even Chelsea self lose today. Everything they get set back. We go see bounce back. So now say just be.
You talk about the new coach now, Unai Emery. You think that new coach bounce? Now Aston Villa take beat Man U today.
Yes. Me, if you cause and when I do for table, normally 15th then day. Normally Steven G said even carry them go back well. Because all the players now they want to impress the new coach. For the season start, I know few players are impressive for Aston Villa. Only Douglas Lewis and one or two other players are really dey impressive. But see today now everybody they play ball. Everybody said they play ball. Today only Watkins they play ball. Like say everybody want impress new coach. Nobody want make them set them for January or that kind of thing. So now the new bounce of the new coach, like the initial gragra. Or go see bounce back, Sha, na normal thing for football. Everybody they lose. Even Liverpool said they lose, City they lose, everybody they lose. Na normal thing.
So, but with waiting you they see from Eric Ten Hag and the team, because you talk say Man U quite alright. Man U no start the season well. You understand? They begin to flop small, but they can't begin big form, win some big matches against Liverpool, against Arsenal. You understand? Even Tottenham, say Man U beat Tottenham now. So what we see this performance from this Man U team, and they show people say yes for when the big stage they go fit turn up, they go fit show up. But you as a Man U fan, if you want to predict where this team go finish by the end of the season, which position you think say this Man U team go finish?
More. And a tricky question, my guy. But some things they consistent. Like Arsenal now. When would they look at Arsenal before? We say, they be like elephant when they branch of tree, so they go soon fall. But now you come like say their performance is they solid as the season they go. If you see the way they play very compact football, very organized football. City, everybody knows City normally. Guardiola are genius. Now we get some other thing like Eddie Howe now. The Howe when they manage Newcastle now, Newcastle are forced to reckon with. You get. So the other big teams now went to like Tottenham, United, Chelsea, Liverpool. Now they're kind of shake. But me as a fan, I go talk with sentiment. As this season, man, go to finish top four. Top four normally this season we'll still finish top four. We'll still get our Champions League spot for next season. For me as a Man U fan, but if you have to be realistic, say from a realistic point of view, it go hard. We just need January. We need to make some kind of summer signings whereby go see because if you look the team not get squad depth now. See Varane does injure now. Varane and Lindelof they use. Lindelof is not a reliable defender. You agree with me that Lindelof is not a reliable defender. So apart from Martinez, see now again one time when they saw you come at our post like this. Lindelof doesn't escort the guy. If Martinez not cover up, then I go normally. You get. So we need that squad depth. So by January now, we need to make some kind of signings. See Casemiro now, for example. If Casemiro not doing that midfield sometimes, look, today match now let Casemiro mark. Van de Beek was sleeping. The other person, Eriksen, we know him as more as a creative player normally. The guy not to the mark like that, you get. So now that Casemiro, now we just get McTominay and Fred, they're unreliable. You cannot count on them. So we need to make some kind of signings. If we want to finish top four, if we don't know say we want to finish top four this season, besides on our attack too. If Rashford them they injure, they come out form. Marshall, we don't get that kind of attacker whereby like the way City now get like Erling Haaland, now when they feel they score goals. We not get that kind of attacker if they score goals. Ronaldo not old. age of the catch up with Ronaldo. Ronaldo be can attack whereby you say, okay, Ronaldo will guarantee you 15 goals or 20 goals a season. You get. So we need depth in the attack. We need striker. You get. We need person whereby he get pedigree from any club where they come from. Say okay, say how go fit work with this person. You get. When go fit score goals. You get. Then for the wings, okay, we don't get Anthony now. Anthony now he dey injured. But we still need like one or two other attackers wey go put the attackers on their toes. You get because when they too dey relax. If we notice last season that lot don dey play pass dey play this season. But as we go market buy them Malaysia come, when we buy some kind of full backs, you know say competition dey. If you look at the best teams in the world there, as the team dey get squad depth, everybody dey on their toes because anybody fit bench you. Anybody fit bench you at any time and you don't lose your spot, you say you don't lose your spot. So now say you don't still look sure I don't pick from back because the few times Malaysia bench am, you know say let the competition all day, but if person not dey, the team go dey complacent, you go not just say, nobody go fit bench me now, everybody fit bench me. Now let me dey. So you see the matter so at the end of the day, sha, God willing, sha, we will not look and say, okay, man go finish top 4 because even the Liverpool are not together themselves. Teams where they consistent, like Arsenal and Man City this season. So top 4 is sure. Top 4 is sure.
So make I ask you about, you talk about Eddie Howe and the work when they do for Newcastle. Today Newcastle don't win about 4-1 or so.
Yes.
If I did correct with the final score. So but you think say this Newcastle team go fit make top 4? And how many years you think say go take Newcastle before they go begin to push for Champions League spot with what you they see and the kind of money where their owners get? How you see the matter?
Now the major factor be that if you look Man City, all those days when they watch what they come, Man City not be forced to reckon with. They flog Man City up and down. I remember I said Man City never really get legends. Apart from one player they call Colin Bell, maybe they are legend. They don't really get legend. But as money, as they invest money for inside the club, you see they feel they buy the best. They buy Balotelli, they buy the Aguero come. You see, so when Newcastle they now, even they're not able to make so many marquee signings, many great signings. But everybody knows this club now, all the players they know, even the players they know for their mind say, as time goes on, this club will attract big players. So all of them won't play ball. See Miguel Almiron and that Paraguayan midfielder. See the way they play. And I expect say that guy could play ball like that. But see the guy goes when they score, week in, week out. I say, what did they happen? So Newcastle in a team whereby in a team to watch out for. Anything where money day is bound to improve. Anything where money day, even if na business they do, if they sell tomatoes, you invest 1 million for tomato business, you not go believe. I say be so as they invest money for Newcastle. Newcastle na team whereby even this season alone, they're not even threatening everybody. If you want to play Newcastle now, you go hold yourself strong. Let's say they will draw Man City this season. Let's say they will draw Man City. So they'll not be small meat. Newcastle. I believe say in the coming years they will be big threats. They'll be very, very because they will attract big players. And it was not to attract big players, but the club that they bow. Anytime make them finish top 4 this season, say that secure Champions League spots go next season. Next season, the kind of transfers they go make go mad. It go mad.
Fine, Adafi. Thank you for your time.